Ito na yung prawn, mga malalabs, mga prawn. Hiwa-hiwa na namin. Lagyan natin yung fly. Lagyan natin yung sauce. Crack your egg, dada.
My egg.
Ano to? Okay.
So you want the eggs here? And this one?
Yes. You must show them.
You see,
They cannot
cracking eggs.
cracking eggs.
Yes. 3 eggs. Large, medium, small. What came first, the chicken or the egg?
Yan si Dada.
That's the eggs.
Butter, butter. Garlic. A lot of garlic. Ganun ko fruits. That's an jazz. Yummy. Why you did not mix the egg? So, ayan na si Dada. Ayan si Dada. Ito, magluto ba tayo? Smell. Hi, Kabo. Hi, Kabo.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Chicken. One, put the flour. Okay, then you take out because it's too much flour. Then must be together the blender. No, put more.
Ah, you want double? Double.
Oh, it's not hot yet.
Yeah.
Ah, there are anything on guys. It's still color. Wait. Don't put together in.
Wow, ang chef natin guys, oh. She's Chef Calbo. Hmm? Kidat-kidat pa. Oh, it's yummy. Yummas. So, si Dada nagluluto ngayon kasi it's Father's Day. So, si Dada ang mag-prepare. Baliktad, no? Baliktad. Nawala na naman yung kilay kong isa. Ay, mainit sa labo.
I have to cook my own food on Father's Day.
Yeah. That's good.
That's why it's called Father's Day. We must work.
Yan ang maganda. Mabango na siya. Bango-bango niya. Tapos magluluto ako ng ano, beef stew. Beef stew! Nandyan na. Pinakuluan ko na yan kahapon. So, timplahan na lang natin today. So, ayun. Luto na siya. Luto na ba to? I think it's already cooked.
It's already cooked.
Na?
Yeah, it's already cooked.
Ayun, luto na siya, guys.
Instead na kumain kami sa labas, nagluto na lang kami kasi tinatamad kami lumabas. Ayun. Careful your hands. Good job, chef. Good job. Not yet daw, not yet. Hindi pa pala. Allah. Sige na natin. Rice natin, rice.
I'm on.
Now, the onion.
So, una, yung onion, tapos, yan yung kahapon na ano, na pinakuluan ko ng beef. Tapos yan, caramelize natin yung onion. Lagyan natin ng Huwag niyo i-overcook yung vegetables. Dapat crunchy pa din siya. Kasi masarap siyang kainin pag crunchy. Crunchy! Gimme! Yung beef guys na pinakuluan natin. Huwag niyo isali yung ginger ah. Ayan. Nilagay ko na yung buto. Ayan, may buto pa. Samayin ko na kasi may ginger yung ginger. Ayan, lagyan natin konting sabaw. Enough! Only 15 minutes para crunchy pa din yung ano niya. Sabaw-sabaw niya. Tapos cover. Okay na.
Again. Wait, it's video. It's video. Kain.